Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular power supplies. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W Bronze and the Corsair RM650 650W Gold. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 offers a robust 750 watts of continuous power at a budget-friendly price of $69. Making it an attractive option for gamers and PC builders looking for high wattage without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Corsair RM650, priced at $89, boasts an 80+ gold efficiency rating, ensuring lower energy costs and quieter operation. In this video, we'll examine their efficiency, modularity, warranty, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your next build. When it comes to efficiency, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 holds an 80+ bronze certification, which means it can achieve up to 88% efficiency under typical loads. This is decent for budget builds, but it does result in slightly higher energy consumption compared to more efficient models. In contrast, the Corsair RM650 shines with its 80+ gold certification, achieving up to 90% efficiency. This not only translates to lower electricity bills, but also means less heat generation, which is crucial for maintaining a cool and quiet system. Next, let's talk about cable management. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 features a non-modular design, which means all cables are fixed and cannot be removed. This can lead to a cluttered case, especially if you're not using all the cables provided. On the other hand, the Corsair RM650 is fully modular, allowing you to connect only the cables you need. This not only improves airflow within your case, but also enhances the overall aesthetic, making for a cleaner build. Finally, let's discuss warranty and reliability. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 comes with a 5-year warranty, which is respectable for a budget power supply. However, the Corsair RM650 offers a longer 7-year warranty, reflecting the company's confidence in its product's durability and performance. A longer warranty can provide peace of mind, especially for users investing in high-end components. In conclusion, both the Thermaltake Smart BX1 and Corsair RM650 have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a high-wattage power supply at a lower price, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 is a solid choice. However, if you prioritize efficiency, modularity, and a longer warranty, the Corsair RM650 is worth the extra investment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.